I hear it all the time from people over 60. Doctor, I'm in my 70s now and I just feel weak. I'm 80 and I guess slowing down is just part of life, but I want you to hear me clearly today. Muscle loss is not something you have to accept. It is not an automatic sentence that comes with aging. You are not destined to become frail just because you've celebrated another birthday. Your body holds a remarkable ability to rebuild and repair at 60, 70, 80 years old, and far beyond. But only if you give it the right fuel, the right movement, and the right mindset. We've been conditioned to believe that once you reach a certain age, your best days are behind you. When you complain about weakness, poor balance, or difficulty getting up from a chair. But I'm here to tell you that so much of this decline is preventable. Every single day, old muscle fibers are broken down and new ones are built to take their place. What changes is that our bodies need a little extra help turning protein into muscle. But here's the beautiful part. You can overcome this with the right foods. For decades, we've been told that eggs are the gold standard of protein. They've been called the perfect food for building muscle. And yes, eggs are a good source of protein. I'm not here to tell you they're bad for you. But here's a truth that doesn't get talked about enough. They're not the only option. For many seniors, they may not even be the best option. Eggs contain cholesterol and saturated fat. For older adults managing heart health or high blood pressure, relying too heavily on eggs can become a concern. As we age, our digestive systems can become more delicate. Our bodies may produce less stomach acid, making it harder to break down heavy animal proteins. This can leave you feeling bloated, sluggish, and uncomfortable after eating. The key to building muscle isn't just how much protein you eat. It's about how well your body can absorb and use that protein. If food sits like a rock in your stomach, your body works overtime just to digest it. We need to look beyond traditional protein sources. Packed with protein, gentle on our system, and comes with extra nutrients that support overall well-being. Now, I want to reveal the food that can change your health, your strength, and your vitality. That food is the simple, humble lentil. Some of you might be thinking, lentils? Really? Isn't that just a poor man's food? That's exactly why I want you to listen closely. Sometimes the most overlooked, affordable foods deliver the most powerful results. Lentils are one of nature's miracle foods, especially for those over 60, 70, and beyond. 1 cup of cooked lentils contains about 18 grams of high-quality protein. That's nearly the same as 3 whole eggs. But here's where lentils shine. That same cup has about 16 grams of dietary fiber. Eggs have no fiber. That fiber supports digestive health and helps regulate sugar absorption. Lentils are virtually fat-free and contain 0 cholesterol. That makes them outstanding for heart health. Lentils are packed with micronutrients critical for seniors. Iron fights fatigue, magnesium supports muscle function, potassium regulates blood pressure. When you eat lentils, you're nourishing your entire body. Now, some of you may wonder, can plant proteins really build muscle like eggs? The answer lies in food combining. When you pair lentils with whole grains, you complete the puzzle. Together, they create a complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids. Like building a wall, lentils provide most of the bricks. Grains provide the missing ones. Let's talk affordability. While eggs, meat, and fish keep climbing in price, a bag of lentils remains one of the most budget-friendly protein sources available. For the price of 1 carton of eggs, you can buy lentils for numerous meals. You never have to worry about skimping on protein due to cost. You can eat generous, satisfying portions, consistently feeding your muscles day after day. This consistency is the key to preventing muscle loss and building strength. My friends, you are never too old to get stronger. You are never too old to make changes that transform your health. You are never too old to surprise yourself with what your body can achieve. Don't underestimate these humble lentils. Start small. Add them to 1 meal this week. Make a simple soup. Mix them into a salad. Every bite is an investment in your strength, your independence, your future. Remember, it's never too late.